Black Minnesota History Journal. Directions: please spend a few minutes writing responses to the prompts each day. Don't do it all at once, just one day at a time. You will not be graded on this, but you will learn from it and build your writing skills to prepare for the writing assessment at the end of the unit. Monday and Tuesday, March 15th and 16th. If you weren't in our Google Meet, please find a news update about the Chauvin trial, then respond to the prompt. Prompt: why do you think jury selection matters in a trial? Jury, group of 12 citizens who hears a trial and decides whether the defendant, Chauvin, is guilty or not guilty of the charges against them. Jury selection is the process of choosing members of a jury. Trial is the formal event where the defendant, Chauvin, is charged with crimes and both sides present their arguments through attorneys or lawyers. I think jury selection matters because. Anything else you want to write about the trial and how it's going? Wednesday and Thursday, March 17th and 18th. If you weren't in our Google Meet, please find a news update about the Chauvin trial, then respond to the prompt. Prompt: how does the race of police officers matter? Minnesota's first Black police officer, James H. Burrell, joined the St. Paul Police Department, SPPD, in 1892. By 1975, 14 of the 640 officers, that's 2%, on the SPPD were Black. Nobody knows exactly how many Black officers serve on the SPPD today. The race of police officers matters because. Anything else you want to write about the trial and how it's going? This part and this part are the same for each question, so I'm not going to read those out loud to you anymore. Monday and Tuesday, March 22nd and 23rd. Prompt: why do the charges against Chauvin matter? Charges are the crimes the defendant, Chauvin, is accused of committing. He's charged with second-degree murder, manslaughter, and third-degree murder. In 2017, former Officer Yanez was only charged with manslaughter for killing Philando Castile. The charges against Chauvin matter because. Wednesday and Thursday, March 24th and 25th. If you weren't in our Google Meet, please find a news update. Prompt: do police body cameras reduce racism? Because BLM, Black Lives Matter, demanded better from police, a lot of police departments started requiring officers to wear and turn on their body cameras during any interaction. So police body cameras do or don't reduce racism because. Monday and Tuesday, March 29th and 30th. Prompt: has BLM made a difference in fighting racism? BLM, Black Lives Matter, is a peaceful protest movement against police brutality. People's support for BLM increased in the summer of 2020. BLM has or hasn't made a difference in fighting racism because. And lastly, Wednesday and Thursday, March 31st and April 1st. Prompt: what do you predict will happen in the trial over spring break? I think